Hello everybody, welcome to the Propresenter 7 video tutorial, and in this video we want to look at the playlist feature. What we're going to do, we're going to add a new playlist, we're going to add the song to the playlist, and we're going to explore this feature called adding headers in this Propresenter 7. So let's jump right in to Propresenter 7. Okay, so what we want to do is in this video we want to create a new playlist. So let's go bring our mouse to this plus button here. Let's click on it and we see new library, and then there's a line, and then it's a new add playlist. Now what we want to do is we want to add a playlist. Let's call the playlist test. Now you can rename it to any playlist name you want, okay, but I'm going to call it test. So let's click on test playlist, and we can see that it is empty right here. So we want to add some songs to our playlist. So to do that, let's find our songs. So let's search our songs, and let's add a couple of songs. Let's add "You Make Me Brave," "You Make Me Brave," and we click on it, and we click and drag here. Let Go. Let's add another song called "Worthy." All right, "Worthy." Okay, let's click on this. And let's drag right in here, and let's add one more called, let's just go down, maybe this is Amazing Grace. Let's add that in. Okay, so let's click here to exit. So right now we have added songs to our test playlist. Now let's click on it, on the songs, and you can see our songs are here, all reflected here. So one new feature that I want to show you guys would be called the header feature. Now the purpose of this header feature is to organize your playlist here. So for example, if let's say we have in the church service, we have a pre-service, we have the praise and worship segment, followed by announcement and sermons and post-service. So this is the basic structure of a church service. So what we want to do is we want to categorize our playlist to make it neater. So what we should do is we should click on the playlist and then click this plus button, and it says new header. Now when we click new header, this will pop up. It says header. So in this header is in our test playlist. So what we want to do is we want to again categorize to we want to rename it to, maybe let's call it pre-service. Okay, enter. And then we want to add, let's add a pre-service to. So we have this right here, we can add it, drag right inside here. Okay, so we can also make this change the color to make it pop, make it more obvious. So you can right click on it, I said rename, change color. Let's click change color, and let's give it something really bright. Let's make it yellow. All right, so as you can see, it's being reflected here, and a muted yellow right here. Next, we want to add after a pre-service, it will be a praise and worship. So let's add another header. The new header is being created. Let's right click, rename, and call it praise and worship. There. Let's give it another color. Change color. Change color. Let's give it green. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag right below this, and make sure and our songs are in this praise and below the praise and worship header. Next we want to do is we want to add announcements. Okay, so let's click the plus button, new header, right click on the new header, click rename, and type announcements. Let's give it change color, give it very bright blue. Okay, and let's drag it right below this, and let's bring our giving slide and prayer for online, whatnot. So here you can see, I'm just going to stop here and just show you that here in our test playlist, we have successfully added a playlist, a header, and then we changed the color. We added the video or image content inside the playlist, and we also added songs inside the playlist, and we categorize them. Now I want to let you know that when it comes to songs, if let's say I were to create, let's talk about adding a background inside here, inside the praise and worship and under the playlist. So look at this difference. Now I'm gonna click "You Make Me Brave" and click the lyrics here. Now I'm going to click the background from the media bin, from the media library. When I click on it, it becomes the background, and there's the lyrics is still there. Now let me clear all. Let me show you what happens. Now let's say if we click this background and drag it inside our playlist, what will happen is this. Let's see what will happen. Okay, let's click the lyrics again, and now let's click the blue red light background. Okay, I want your eyes to be here. Look at here and see what happens. When I click on it, it overwrites. Okay, when I click on this, it overwrites again. So this is if you want to add the background to your songs, do not add the background in the playlist. Okay, remove it. What you want to do instead is to click on your song, your lyrics, and click the background from the media bin. Do not drag it here. Click from the media bin instead. So you can see all the backgrounds do not override the lyrics. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.